Are you for the top 5 best projector screens? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best projector screens on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video. Number 1. Silver Ticket SDR1691000 100-inch screen. If you're looking for the best possible projector screen for your money, you can't go wrong with the Silver Ticket 100-inch. Made from a solid and durable aluminum frame, it has the look and feel of a premium product at a budget-friendly price. Thanks to its contoured and wrapped frame, you get the best possible home movie viewing. Since the wrapping helps avoid shadows and the contouring absorbs extra light. Useful if your projector isn't positioned at the best angle, it also looks pretty good with the black frame. The Silver Ticket is a permanent mount, so it's best for those looking for a screen that will stay in one place, such as in a basement or rec room. With its wide 160-degree viewing angle, you get a fantastic picture, no matter where you're sitting. The body of the Silver Ticket SDR1691000 screen is built out of extruded aluminum, which feels very solid. This looks like a premium screen despite the affordable price tag. Since you have to place the frame black velvet down, we suggest throwing a drop cloth, tarp, or even a clean sheet on the floor first due to the tendency of the velvet material to act as a magnet for any dust, lint, or pet hair that it comes into contact with. We found the matte white screen to have excellent color reproduction and contrast, with no visible hot spots. The viewing angles are also great, with the picture looking sharp and colorful from every seat in the house. This screen is light enough that you could move it around if you had to, but it's also bulky enough to make that difficult. The best feature of the Silver Ticket SDR1691000 is its contoured and wrapped frame. The light-absorbing black material that's wrapped around the frame helps soak up over-projected light, so you don't have to be overly precise when aiming and edge. Number 2. Best Choice Products 119-inch HD Indoor Pull-Down Projector Screen. The convenience of a roll-up projector can be just what you need if you're trying to save space, making the Best Choice Products 119-inch HD Indoor Pull-Down Screen one of the top choices for anyone looking for this feature. It's an overall fantastic purchase, as it's surprisingly affordable, easy to assemble, and features a quality white matte vinyl screen. This is a fixed screen with a manual pull-down mechanism that's designed for semi-permanent installation. You can pull down the screen when ready to use, with a locking feature that ensures your screen will stay in place when in use. When you're done, simply roll the screen back up. Keep in mind the screen itself is square, so if you're planning to use it at the 16:9 ratio, you won't be able to benefit from all 119 inches. You're getting a 97.5-inch widescreen picture. When watching films, the color and accuracy are impressive, with great brightness. With a reasonable price point and a high-quality, durable product, this screen is a great choice for anyone looking for both convenience and quality. If you buy this screen expecting a 119-inch diagonal widescreen projector screen, you'll be disappointed. According to our own measurements, the diagonal measurement is closer to about 97.5 inches when viewing 16:9 content on this screen. That's pretty good for a manual pull-down projector screen in this price range. It's just unfortunate that the manufacturer and third-party sites don't make that as clear as they could. The screen is literally ready to go out of the box, with no assembly required. It feels fairly solid, but the metal itself isn't very thick or resilient. The screen pulls down with a bit of a jerky motion, but it holds in place very easily. When pulled down, we noticed some waviness in the screen that was very apparent to look at, but less obvious with a projector in use. We were able to get it to retract evenly with great care, although it will roll up unevenly if you aren't careful. Number 3. Elite Screens Sable Frame B2 92-inch. If you're shopping for a projector screen for a smaller space, the Elite Screens Sable Frame B2 92-inch 16:9 frame, it's slightly smaller than some of the other screens reviewed here, and won't totally overwhelm a small room. The screen is mildew-resistant and easy to clean with soap and water, and surrounded by a black velvet aluminum frame, which is both aesthetic and functional, as it helps absorb the projector light and keep the images on the screen, rather than the wall. We also love the high-quality build and premium feel of this screen. which ensures the screen doesn't crease or wrinkle over time. Give this screen a look if you're after a top-notch, easy-to-use product that won't overwhelm a smaller room. Number 4. Elite Screens 180-inch. If you want one to go big and go home to watch movies, this massive screen is the one for you. The Elite Screens 180-inch is a widescreen 16:9 4 Kelvin ready home theater motorized drop-down projector screen, offering the convenience to raise the screen when it's not in use via the included remote. We love that the screen is fully black-backed, which prevents light penetration from behind and gives you a more accurate video quality. The texture of the screen also allows for more accurate color representation, and it is also easy to clean. Thanks to its size, it's also great for use in boardrooms or offices. It's heavy at 52.9 pounds, so it's not something you'll want to move after installation. And the design gives you the option to mount on either the ceiling or the wall. If you're ready for movies that are larger than life, the 180-inch may be just what you need. Number 5. VIVO 84-inch portable in-or-outdoor projector screen. Many reviewers note the convenience and affordability of this screen when on the road for conferences and business meetings. I run conferences at hotels and have saved a fortune in hotel AV costs by buying several of these for each conference and having them shipping directly to the hotels and at no extra cost via Amazon Prime. One reviewer writes, another reviewer, who describes herself as a one-woman show, says, "It is very easy to travel with in my SUV, super easy to set up, and is stable. I have had no issues at all. The tripod design is convenient for keeping at home, too." And many reviewers mention the ease of setup and the quality of the stand itself. As one reviewer concludes, the product is a good value, and both the upper and lower borders are adjustable for any room.